Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to generate a picture by the help of the Photoleap AI by describing an image that you have in mind and sketch it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and after that scroll down to the AI creation tools section, then tap on the sketch it button. As you can see, you should provide the description of the image that you have in mind into this box. For example, a cake with flowers on it, but you can have more extra ideas, and then provide a drawing. If you are done with it, tap on the accept and generate button, and now it is being created. The image is being created, so here you can find the generated image. If you are not satisfied, tap on the generate again button and you are going to get a new image, hopefully. And if you want to edit this picture, tap on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen, so you can apply filters, adjust it, transform it, and so on. So that's how you can create these generated pictures with the help of the AI creation tools. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.